Hi everyone, welcome to ZKTeco. Today we'll be talking about our time attendance and facial recognition device, which is VF380. Now let's do the unboxing. VF380 is a time attendance device that works with BioTime 8.0. Then with me we have a simple manual that can guide you through on how to make use of it. From the box we have the device and it comes with its RFID card, the wall mounting bracket, then we have a connecting cable that comes with the device. This is it. This is the mounting cable. Some of us call it the charger. Okay, now let's get into the device. Let's see how it works. VF380 is a facial recognition terminal for time and attendance and access control, which work with third-party door sensor, electric lock, exit button. It can save 3,000 face templates without dividing into groups. The product is able to communicate via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, so to ensure a smooth connection and data transfer. All the settings can be easily done on 2.8-inch capacitive touchscreen. It has been elaborately designed and finely processed to suit your office purpose. Do you want to learn more about ZKTeco VF380? Click the link in the caption to learn more.